Preparation. Being prepared for your move is the key to success. You may want to pick up a solid pair of work gloves if you like. Some moves can be on the laborious side, so bring a bottle of water and a sweat towel. It's always a good idea when loading a truck to develop a game plan before loading anything. The most important aspect of loading the truck is that you always want the majority of the weight towards the front of the truck. Heavy items need to go in first. Treat it like a game of Tetris. Use every bit of space you can before moving backwards. A piece of furniture or anything else that may be scratched needs to be loaded at the end of the move to prevent damage. Cover fragile items thoroughly with furniture pads. Whenever loading something like a flat screen TV, make sure that it's completely wrapped and that the screen is facing a flat surface to prevent being damaged by any loose item. Last but not least, make sure the TV is strapped down or secured in place by larger items.